Hey y'all, welcome to Arthur's Garden and Life. My name's Arthur. I just got a few things to show you today, okay? Let's get with it. Alright. Rolling down past the garden. Green beans, tomatoes, grapes, and the work. This is what I started doing. And I started back here where the turmeric's growing. And I was adding some compost to it, some compost mulch. I call it compost, but it's kind of like mulch. It ain't quite done, but it'll do its job. It'll protect the roots. Here we got a few seeds planted, moving right along. We got the tomato plants. I hear that it does the tomatoes good to have this on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Added some compost mulch to it. Get out the way, hat. Alright, yep, get you there. There. Hey, look at there what popped up. And there's some growing. A few more. How about these cats? They're kind of long in the tooth, ain't they? But this is what I'm focusing on today. It's a lot of work, but it's going to pay off in the long run. If you know what kind of tree this is, give me a shout. I put some compost around it too. Give up? It's papaya. We bought papaya. I grew a papaya last year. Well, not the fruit, but the tree. These are moringa. Just starting out. Hard to believe a little thing like that can turn into that. But it does happen. And it can be done here in South Carolina. I put some compost around there. I even gave Miss Canna Lily there some compost too. There's another moringa tree. These surprised me. They really did. They surprised me good. Oh, and what do we have back here? Is it watermelon? Could be. It's some kind of melon. I think it's watermelon. All the little tomatoes. This is like a little jungle here. It's got that watermelon bush. Look at there. Wow, what a thumbnail you'd make. Anyway, there's the base of all of the tomato. And all I do is just get some of the compost here. Shovel it in. Make sure there's a good bit around it. It'll help keep the roots cool. Of course, the shadow of this will too, but I don't want this one to get too jealous. I did all the rest of them. You know how sensitive plants can be, right? It's good to talk to them. Just a good girl here. Look at there. There's another hidden gem. That's a good size too. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Praise the Lord. It's coming along. Ooh, look at them noggins. I'm gonna have to save some of these seeds because this is a great plant here. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going and going. Praise the Lord. I'm gonna have to start giving you more water in the evenings. I only order the tomatoes during the evenings now, and that's how we do this with the compost. I hope you like this video. I really hope you subscribed, and I want to thank you for getting me over the 500 mark. I'm shooting for 1,000, and it'll happen when it's supposed to. I'm glad that we had this time together, as some woman on TV used to sing. Feed me some comments. Give me some ideas for videos that you'd like. And I'll be seeing you. I'd like to say bye for now. Bye for now.